Hi everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Dhgate payments verification in 2025. The first thing you need to do is to double check payment details. Carefully review the card number, expiration date and CVV code you entered. Ensure they're accurate and match the information on your card. Also verify that the billing address on Dhgate matches the one associated with your payment method. Next, contact your bank or card issuer. Your bank can provide specific reasons why your payment might be failing. They can also confirm if your card is enabled for international transactions and if there are any blocks or holds on your account. Sometimes a simple call to your bank to authorize the transaction can resolve the issue. Next, you can try a different payment method. Dhgate supports various payment options like PayPal and credit cards. If one method is causing issues, try as an alternative. PayPal often provides an extra layer of security and can sometimes bypass issues with direct card payments. Next, you need to ensure you have sufficient funds. Make sure your account has enough funds available to cover the total cost of your order, including any shipping fees. Try to make purchases using the same device and internet connection you typically use. Making high-value purchases from a new location or IP address can sometimes trigger security flags. Then you can clear browser cache and cookies or try a different browser. Sometimes outdated browser data can interfere with the payment process. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies or trying a different browser might help. If the problem persists after trying all the steps we've mentioned, want to reach out to Dhgate's customer service for assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on the error messages you are receiving and your account details. You can easily find their contact information on their website or app. Here's the general information and useful details. Payment verification time. After making a payment, Dhgate typically takes about 1 business day to verify it. You receive an email verification once the verification is complete. Risk verification. Dhgate conducts risk verification to protect both buyers and sellers from fraudulent transactions. This process might involve checking your payment details and account activity. Secure payments methods. Dhgate emphasizes using secure payment methods within their platform to ensure buyer protection. Avoid making payments directly to sellers outside of the Dhgate system. Billing address. Ensure the billing address you provide on Dhgate exactly matches the address your bank has on file for your payment method. Discrepancies in the billing address are a common reason for payment failures. International transactions. Confirm with your bank that your card is enabled for international online purchases, especially if you're buying from overseas sellers on Dhgate. Payment at risk notifications. If Dhgate flags your payment as at risk, it usually indicates a potential security concern. Contacting your bank and ensuring your payment details are correct are crucial steps to resolve this. Dhgate buyer protection. Using Dhgate's official payment methods ensures you are protected by their buyer protection policies, which can help if you encounter issues with your order. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.